So guys, welcome back by the way. So before you go, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now a quick analysis on our USD card. We can see our prediction is that our USD has actually fallen. What I was probably thinking is that our USD should actually be pushing up that yesterday to actually hit this our area here, which is about 1.284, but unfortunately we did not. We actually still go bearish. So one thing I know is that our card is actually going bullish. Our card is actually pushing up, while our USD is supposed to be pushing up, but unfortunately it does not have more strength to actually take us that bullish move. So one thing I am seeing is that there are two ways our price will be moving. We'll actually be seeing a change of direction around this area here, where we see a resistance level here. It has given serves as a support here, serves as also a support here. If you have to analyze it, then there's every possibility we'll be having that change of direction push up, and probably if it breaks below it, then definitely we'll be seeing the change of direction around this area here. Then definitely we'll be seeing a change of direction here. We'll be seeing a reversal movement. So sooner or later we'll be having a reversal move to the uptrend. We'll be going bullish on our USD card. Prepare for it. I'm telling you, this week we'll be having a bullish move, but right now I'm still seeing here probably as a false breakout. That's exactly what I'm seeing. So we should be actually seeing a change in direction going bullish for today, and if not, then we probably might see a breakout to the downward, and then probably then between Thursday Friday we can actually now see that bullish move on our USD card. By the way, now we can see on our 4-hour time frame. And before we actually analyze our 4-hour time frame, let me take you to where we are now. We are currently at the Sydney Tokyo section. By the way, Sydney Tokyo section. So London section has not yet opened, New York section has not yet opened. So probably when our London section and New York section opens, and we will see where our price is at our USD card, and we would want to be trading what we see and not what we think. So let's just see where our trade will be, by the way, or what our trade will show us by that time. And guess what, USD card, I would advise you stay away from this trade right now till probably 3 p.m. because we will be having news, high impact news that will be coming out, that will be having a very high impact, that will be having a very much effect on our trade for our especially USD card. You can see our card, we have the BOC rate statement. We also have about that 3 p.m. We also have the overnight rate, and we also have the USD. So between our New York session, which our New York session will be opening by around that 2, and a New Year session will open around that 2. So by 3, we should be seeing this news comes out, and then there will be a much trading volume, much movement. That is why probably I am staying away from this my card USD. So if the price will actually be favoring me, or probably I will just stay away from the trade. I will trade other pairs, because this news will be having a high impact on our USD card. So let's just try and stay away from that USD card. But our 4-hour time frame, you can see it is still actually pushing down. So that is why maybe one of the reasons why we actually not gotten that bullish move about that yesterday. A lot of traders are scared to take a buy, or to actually push the price up and something like that. So people just don't want to really take much trade on this our USD card because of the news that will be coming out today. So if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.